Hi, my name is Stephen Ruffalo, and I'm a financial accounting major at Bloomsburg University. I chose to focus on capital punishment because I'm interested in the financial aspect of this topic. I'll first talk about the background of capital punishment, and then I'll compare the cost of incarcerating criminals versus executing them. The American Civil Liberties Union claimed that capital punishment was unconstitutional under the 8th and 14th Amendments. They said that it was cruel and unusual punishment. And in 1972, the Supreme Court no longer allowed the death penalty under the Furman v. Georgia case. In 1976, however, the Supreme Court saw capital punishment as no longer unconstitutional. It was seen that the death penalty was used in rational cases, and the Gregg v. Georgia case solidified the Supreme Court's decision. The execution of the criminals deserving continued just 1 year later. And in 2002, the Supreme Court again believed that capital punishment of the mentally retarded was against the 8th Amendment. Capital punishment is legal in 30 states, including Pennsylvania, and illegal in 20 states. The American Civil Liberties onto the financial side. After looking at the financial side of capital punishment, I learned how much money is actually used for the death penalty in comparison to incarceration. After looking at that, I saw that the money could definitely be used for something more important. For instance, treatment and counseling for criminals who have been incarcerated would cost a lot less money than capital punishment, and it could solve the problem as to why the criminal is in jail in the first place. Drug rehab could also be provided to criminals. While capital punishment is more expensive than incarceration, adding to its downfall is the room for uncertainty. Many would say that capital punishment goes against their religion, and it does not have a good reputation with moral code. Since 1976, when capital punishment was reallowed, there have been about 10 cases where there was not complete certainty when sentencing the criminal to death. Capital punishment defies due process, and it does not allow criminals to be released. My final decision, after looking at the moral aspect and the financial aspect of capital punishment, is that it should be done away with because of unnecessary cost. While some cases may be extreme, the money could be used for something much more useful, and getting rid of capital punishment would limit the cases with uncertainty. Incarceration gives the criminal what they deserve, while also not burning a hole in the taxpayer's pocket. While it is still illegal in 20 states,